Hi, I'm Dr. Sara Wasserbauer, and I'm like everybody else. If I see something on an Instagram feed or a Reddit feed or in the newspaper or in a magazine, if it says new cure for hair loss, I immediately read it. I click on it. It's clickbait that works for me, and it works for a lot of other people too. One of the more recent articles that I was looking at talked about how there might be some simple ways to reverse hair loss. And it turns out there are simple ways to reverse hair loss. When you're living in this time period, it's easy to think of minoxidil and finasteride as, or even red light therapy and hair transplant surgery as things that may not work. More snake oil, because there's so much static in the atmosphere regarding hair loss. Lots of people talk about hair loss, and usually they don't know what they're talking about. So, if you're looking at these therapies and you want something to really work, a headline like an easy way to restore your hair is going to definitely get your attention. Well, it turns out there are easy ways to restore your hair. Blocking dihydrotestosterone, particularly in a male, is a very easy way to restore your hair. Increasing the blood supply to the hair follicle, particularly in males and females, topically or orally, is also another easy way to restore hair to the hair growth to the hair follicle. Low level light therapy is another easy way to restore hair. And if you've lost the hair already and the hair is already gone, less density in, an acre of your forest, well, then there is another easy way to restore hair, and that would be surgery. Now, all of these things already exist. Finasteride is the thing that blocks the hormone that causes hair loss. Minoxidil is the thing that increases the blood supply to the hair follicle and grows you a thicker hair. Low-level light therapy stimulates hair growth, and surgery replaces hair. So there are easy ways to restore your hair. And it seems like almost bait and switch when somebody says, oh, there's this easy way to restore your hair, but they don't mention these very simple therapies that have been around for a long time, have a proven track record of safety and efficacy, and are available to everybody who is losing their hair. So take it from somebody who treats hair loss on a daily basis, who's been doing this for 20 years. There are easy ways to restore your hair. Just come and ask a reputable doctor for how to do that, and you'll be able to restore your hair too. Good luck.